All right, so good day, guys. This is going to be a very short video. I want to show you how to create a subdomain. So generally, a domain generally is just your privilege.com. So the .com, .ng, .online, all of those things, because that's what we call the extension of a domain, right? Now your domain is generally the name plus your extension, which is just a domain. So that's what we call the domain. Now, most of the time when you pay for a hosting, you get a domain. Okay, you pay, basically you pay for your domain, then probably your hosting and all. So generally, this is one of my client sites, and what you could see is I have this domain on my site. Sorry, this is my site. So I have this domain on my site, okay, and I have this for a client. Okay, you can see it's ziplightstudios.studio.com. Now, what I want to create is a subdomain. Okay, now on a subdomain, you can actually create a site, a lot of things. Okay, so there's a video I actually created on how to create a crypto investment website. So what I did in that video, I used a subdomain. So you can actually do that. So like I said, I'll just show you how to create a subdomain. So the subdomain is always attached to your domain. So as we have ziplightstudio.com, I can create a subdomain and call it info. Okay, so or maybe I can just call it book. Okay, book.ziplightstudio.com, and that's going to be a subdomain. So I'll just show you how to do that. And for this, we're going to be using Namecheap. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your C panel on your Namecheap. Okay, so you just want to go to C panel. So when you get to your C panel, the next thing you want to do is just type in domain. All right, and so you just type in your subdomain. So before now, Namecheap provided a feature where you could actually under this option you'll be able to see a subdomain, but now you will probably not find anything as such on a subdomain. And the good thing with Namecheap, especially if it's your first time of having an account, is that they provide you SSL for both your domain and 50 other subdomains. So you have free SSL for 50 other subdomain. So that's actually a great stuff. Okay, so let's click on domain and just open it in another link. And so once you're here, the next thing you want to do is just click on create a new domain. All right, so you can see that generally what you have here is my.example.com. So this is an example of what a subdomain is. So for me, I just want to do book. All right, so I'm just going to normally I keep forgetting this, so I'm just going to copy my domain name, which is ziplightstudio.com. So you must have a domain for you to have a subdomain. All right, so just put dots. Just going to paste this here. um Basically it's just easier to write it yourself, but I just want to make sure this video is short as possible. All right, so we have this. So the next thing we want to do is submit. Right, so just give it some time to load up. All right, so you get this whole thing. So you have successfully created then your my free SSL certificates. Okay, so this is for security. Just give it time, it will automatically update. Okay, so what you do is if we come to our site and click on, let me just delete this, and if I put book dot, now you may get all of this. Okay, so what you just do is just give it some time, probably 24 hours. Most of the time 24 hours is best. So once you give it 24 hours, it's going to load up. So you that's how you just get your subdomain up and running. For instance, you could see this my skill. So this is my subdomain. So I'm just going to open it up and you see how it will appear. So I already have something on it. Okay, I think this is the crypto investment site I created. So it's on this subdomain skill.ziplightstudio.com. And if you check my our personal website, which is ziplightstudio.com, you'll notice there's a different site on it. So this is just a domain, ziplightstudio.com. So these are sites, you can actually check it out. Then you could note, you if you see this subdomain skill.ziplightstudio.com, so it's a subdomain of our site. So I hope this video helps you. This is just a basic video on how to create a subdomain using Namecheap. So it's that simple. So just like I said, just give it time, probably approximately 1 hour. But sometimes it may take less. Okay, it may take less. So approximately 1 hour, but sometimes it may take less. So that's just it. So I hope this video helps you. If it does, please do well to subscribe and click the bell icon so you can be notified when we post new videos. Thank you so much. My name is Matthew, okay, and this is If Light Studios YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. If you have any question, just put it in the comments below. I'll make sure to answer that question. Thank you.